Well, the Washington State Department of Health is sending out a warning after a sharp increase in cases of whooping cough. Statewide in 2023, there were 51 cases of the illness, but this year there have been over 1,000, with 9 of those cases in the Tri-Cities.
Prevention is always the best because treatment for pertussis, there is an antibiotic that will get rid of the organism, but it won't stop the cough. Once that cough starts, that's why it's nicknamed the 100-day cough, is people will have a cough and it will just persist for months.
Symptoms of the illness can resemble those of the common cold at first, but the disease can be extremely dangerous for babies. For more information, head to our website, KEPRTV.com.